Hi there folks, welcome to my channel, Hanger Management, named forward by my son. Tell you more about that in a wee while. So why another food channel? Why are we creating one of them? Long story short, I'm a full-time carer for my disabled wife, and she has very specific dietary needs. Up until November 2017, all I could cook was boxed food. If it wasn't out of box and I couldn't stick it straight in the oven, I couldn't make it. I literally couldn't. And when it came to my dietary needs, if it was vegetable and I was eating it, it had to be pureed. I mean, that's how bad I was. Bad bitch. Squidgy bitch, I don't know if I said that. Part of my wife's issues is she's got very specific dietary needs, meaning that a lot of boxed foods really screw her up. So we have to be very careful of the foodstuffs that come in because she can't just eat it. So it was another reason I had to step up my game and become a better cook. Step up my game radically because boxed foods were doing her no favours at all. So this channel is an evolution of me learning how to cook basically. So in that time period I've became somebody who can cook a pretty decent meal, I think. I've taken many of the recipes which I learned from and radically altered them, largely to cater for our needs, specifically for the wife's dietary requirements. We are no longer meat eaters, we're more plant-based food now, but I've learned the wonders of seitan. Oh my god, I've learned the wonders of seitan, so I'll be sharing some recipes with that in mind in particular. About November 2017, I'd already been a carer for a while then, things began to change. That was because primarily of YouTube and a knife sharpening video of all things, not a cooking video, but a knife sharpening video. Learned how to sharpen my kitchen knives to quite serious sharp levels. And I discovered a bit of more pleasure in food preparation through that, because I promised myself if I bought the sharpening stones I was going to have to use the knives. So I started trying to learn how to cook, but I found pleasure in it because previously the times I'd tried and trying to cut through various foodstuffs, vegetables, whatever, it wasn't that easy. It was a struggle to do it, etc. The sharp knives make it so much more fun, so much more pleasurable, and from there my journeys really began and moved forward. So I'm looking now to share some of the recipes I've come up with, some of the recipes I've taken and radically altered from what they were at. So Hanger Management, why that? What's that all about? The name came through my son naming it, and it's basically a Hulk out if I get too hungry. I've got a short fuse. You won't like me when I'm hungry. And we like a movie called Anger Management, an Adam Sandler one from many years ago, so Hanger Management popped out. So why another food channel? Well, there's plenty of food channels out there, isn't there? But to be honest, I want to share what I'm doing. That's it. It's just the selfish nature of I want to share what I'm doing, and hopefully there's something in there that you like. I've ran YouTube channels in the past. I don't have the time for them anymore. I've thought that maybe once a fortnight I could squeeze a video out filming what I'm doing anyway. I do enjoy making YouTube videos, and the ones that I've done prior were watched reasonably, and I just want to put something out there that might help someone, in particular someone that might be in the same sort of situation as I am, who up until 2 years ago, I'm in my 40s, up until 2 years ago, literally as I say, could only eat box food, and might even be in a caring role similar to me as well. And I'm just hoping to show people that it's not as difficult as it seems. I think I created more obstacles in my mind as to how easy cooking really can be and how pleasurable it can be and how far superior a good home cooked meal is to anything out of box. Really, and that's the primary reasons I want this channel up and running. Not looking to be one of these big foodies with a million subscribers, but if I get 10 I'll be happy. But we'll see how it goes. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the wee bell alert button, I think it currently is, because that changes quite often on YouTube. And thanks for coming, thanks for checking out the channel. Hopefully there's one or two recipes that I put up that you try and you like and you enjoy, and share them with your friends. So thanks again, take care, bye bye.